Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Instagram application and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and then you need to click on settings and here you need to scroll down and click on account center, and once you click on that you simply need to click on the accounts and profiles, and here you need to select your Facebook profile, and once you select you simply need to select your Facebook profile here, and here you need to click on remove from account center, and if you want you can read these all and then you need to click on continue, and here in the bottom you will find the option of remove. Click on that option and once you click on that it is now removing your Facebook from your Instagram. So this is a process by which you can disconnect Instagram from Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.